completely new user, you need to connect your credentials. Now, the thing that's I personally think kind of a little annoying about N8N is there's not like a single sign-on that's supported for this. And so you have to come through and actually create your credentials in a Google Cloud account. Now, how do we do that? You obviously wouldn't have anything here, so you can come through, click on that, create new credential. And then you have two options. So you have OAuth 2 and you have service account. I'm going to show you how to use this OAuth 2, okay? So by the way, N8N does have very good documentation. So if you ever need help with this, they have pretty good docs that are going to teach you what to do. So the first thing that you need to do is go to cloud.google.com, okay? Cloud.google.com. And you're going to have to go through a little tiny sign up process. There will be like a start for free button in this top right hand corner. You click on that. It's going to ask you for your credit card and stuff like that, which is why I am already landed on this page. And it's going to spit you out right here. So you go in. It's not going to charge you anything, by the way. I'm pretty sure this tier is free for a very long time. And then you'll be, again, landed in a screen that looks something like this. And so what you need to do in order to get this connected to your N8N, you need to create a credential. And so what we need to do is we need to come up into this top left-hand corner, click the hamburger icon, go down to APIs and services, and then go down to OAuth consent screen. Okay. So first thing they're going to make you fill out, is this for internal or external use? This is obviously internal use because it is just us. We're not ever publishing this to, someone else to use or anything like that. So internal, give it a name. You have to use an email. You put a logo in there if you want to. App domain stuff you can fill out if you need to. Authorized domains, you don't really need any of that. You do need to put a developer email address in there. Save and continue. Okay. And then you're going to get into the section where you can add or remove scopes. And so what this is going to need access to is the Google Drive scope. So what you're going to need to do is click on this little link up here for the Google API library, which will pop us on over to here. And then you can just search for Drive. Or you just scroll down right there. It's right there. And then you need to enable this. And then we can go back into our OAuth consent screen that we were in. Okay, this is our app. We can just go back to edit it, scroll ourselves down, save and continue. We need to add our scopes to it. And so now when we're in here, we should see all the Google Drive API scopes. For this one, we honestly only need read only, I'm pretty sure. So let's just click just the read only scope right there. And again, that is the see and download all your Google Drive files. Save and continue. Now, what we need to do is we need to go back here and we need to give this OAuth redirect URL, okay? So we're going to copy that right here. We're going to go, we're going to pop over into credentials, go to create credentials, and then we need to create a OAuth client ID. So you click on that, just say web application, N8N. Okay, and now we're going to have this option here for authorized redirect URIs. I'm going to add URI, and we're going to paste in that link that we had. Okay. Then we are going to say create, and it's going to pop us onto a screen that has our client ID, which you need to copy, pop on back over, and paste it in. And then we are going to have our client secret. Go over, paste it in. And once you have done all of that, you can come on down here and say sign in with Google. And bada bing, bada boom. Your account should be successfully connected. Cool. So that is how you go through